Hey guys, come and check out the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your AirPod if your AirPod is blinking either orange or another color that you don't recognize and it's having issues. So a couple things you want to do in order to fix this issue. It's going to be really simple and we'll show you how to fix it. So first thing first is, if you're having this issue, first thing to check is your battery level of your AirPod themselves and the case. In order to do that, you can simply connect it to your iPhone and it should pop up and tell you exactly. For example, the case is 47% and the pods are 100%. Generally, when the case is under 20% or less, you're going to get that orange or the yellow blinking light, and you want to make sure it's charged at least 50% or more for that to go away, and it's not going to be blinking and you're not going to have any issues. Also, the other thing you can do is go into your settings, and then once you go into your settings, you can also go to Bluetooth if that doesn't pop up, and click on that eye icon up here. It'll also show you the charge of the case and the pods themselves, so make sure it's charged up good. Now, the other thing you want to do if you're still having issues after you charged it is go ahead and forget the device. So click on in your Bluetooth settings, right? You'll go to settings, Bluetooth, AirPods that you're connected to, and then go all the way down here where it says forget this device. You're going to forget that device and then forget it just like that. And then we're going to reset the device itself. So before we connect it, we're going to reset it. So in order to reset it, we're going to close the lid, make sure it's charged. And then the back here, there's a button here that's flushed circular. You want to press and hold this for about 15 to 20 seconds till the light changes here. So we're going to press and hold, and that's going to do a reset of the AirPods. So any sort of issues that you were experiencing in the past should go away after doing it. So hold it about 15 to 20 seconds. Like I said, the color will change a few times, different colors. That's fine. And then after that, you want to go ahead and connect it back. This should pop up and connect it back to your device here. So we're going to go ahead and connect it, and as you can see, it started to connect, which is good, and it should pop up just like that, and you reconnect it again. Now, the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is that you're going to go ahead and try to update the firmware of your AirPods if it's not already updated. So the firmware of your update for the AirPods actually happens through your phone software. So to fix this issue, you're going to go into your settings of your iPhone. You're going to go into your general and the software update and see if there's an update available for your iPhone. If there is update available, you're going to download and install it. Give yourself about half an hour to 45 minutes for you to be able to download and install the update, because if there's an update available, there possibly is a firmware update available for the AirPods. Also, you can do is go into your settings here and then go to Bluetooth device and then AirPods, click on that eye icon. If you go down here under your version of the AirPods here, you'll see a couple information here, but if I click on this version here, or I click on the model number, let me see, I'll show you in a second here. So so after you update your phone, you want to wait, and then the firmware should update on your AirPods as well, which again will resolve any issues that you may be experiencing with that blinking light on your AirPods. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you fix your blinking light on your AirPods. If so, please make a like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.